Okay, we are at the Cake Boss. This is a delicious happy in biscotti. It's actually called Carlos's. I'm with Tara, and this is Tara's biscotti.
You're not allowed to.
We're not allowed to go above the fingers. And this is some of the inside, which we're super excited about. All pink for Valentine's Day still. Super fun. It's our coffee. Make sure you have cash, because they make you pay $10 before you can use credit.
I'm taking pictures of him.
Oh my gosh. People are taking pictures of the big person. There he is. It's exciting.